always after Guala, yeah, and you are not badass beat. Keep on going till you hit the spot. Whoa.
Hello everyone, if you are considering Northeastern University or if you're just curious about what university life looks like, you're in the right place. Today I will be discussing my life as a freshman pursuing my Masters in Analytics at Northeastern College of Professional Studies. So let's dive in. So my name is Gauri Shande. I am currently pursuing my Masters in Analytics at Northeastern College of Professional Studies. Today we will start with the academic overview of my life at Northeastern. So I have my points written down over here and I'll be going through it. I'll be telling you guys what academics looks like at Northeastern CPS program, and if it is right fit for you, this value will be what you're looking for. So one of the standout features at Northeastern CPS is that the courses are taught by professionals who are working at the industry. They work as part-time lecturers. Maximum of our professors are part-time are part-time lecturers and are working at the industry, which gives us the industry perspective of the questions or of the problems that we're trying to solve. We get to know what trends are being followed in the companies, or we usually get to understand what skills are required to get into a company or get a good job. So it's not just practical, but it's also industry ready course. Another crazy aspect of CPS is that it is a very practical course. The professors during a lecture just do not teach us how to learn the concept, but also teach us how to implement it. Another amazing aspect of CPS is the take on practical knowledge. We are half the time we are solving problems which are real world applicable, and we are also learning how to tackle them if we face them during our time at an industry. So it's not just learning the theory, but it's also learning how to implement it practically. So next we come to evaluation. Most of our evaluation happens on the basis of assignments, presentations, quizzes. We also have discussion notes. Majoritarily, until what I have been studying or the courses that I have been taking, I have not given any exams as such, but all of my evaluations have happened on the course of assignments and quizzes. So it depends on the professor, like what they give the weightage on, but mostly at CPS they focuses on assignments and to give you hands-on projects work to evaluate your performance. Moving to the class size, one thing I love about CPS is the intimate class size. We have the maximum class size of at CPS is 30, which makes the experience very personal. You're not just a face in a class. The professors know you by name and they know where you lack, and you can easily interact with them or approach them with any problems that you are facing during the classes. NU CPS understands that one size doesn't fit all. That is why we have various courses and electives to choose from. Like for my course I am enrolled in, I have various electives that I can choose from. I have various concentrations. I am currently enrolled in the AIML concentration, but even though I am enrolled in that, I can still choose courses from the other concentrations as well, which gives me an overall study of different aspects of the choice of choosing from different electives gives us the upper hand at tailoring our own education and then choosing subjects that we really want to study in the near future. Like for example, for someone like me who would like to work in the healthcare industry, I can choose from subjects like healthcare IT or healthcare data management, which makes it easier for me and my future goals. Planning your coursework is very, very, very easy at CPS. We have an amazing advisor who will tell you which course to take when, and who will help you and guide you through every other aspect or every other quarter at Northeastern. I've been in contact with her since my very first semester, and she has been the most helpful person I've ever been, because I know it gets intimidating when you come into a new environment, new pattern of your studies, which may be not there in your home country. But here, when you are at CPS, you have an amazing advisor who is available to you at every appointment, will tell you what is best for you and will guide you through each quarter. She'll help you design your courses, will help you schedule it, or can also help you find opportunities at Northeastern. So yeah, we work about it. Now let's shift gears and look at social life at Northeastern. Every other day you do have something or the other that's happening at Northeastern. It may be a tabling event, or there might be someone or some other club performing, or like there will be giveaways, there will be free stuff going around campus. because you have various clubs from different cultures and ethnicities, which basically gives you an overall perspective of what life looks like at around the world. For example, I'm a part of NU Sanskriti's graphic design team, where I get to design posters for all the Indian festivals and all the events that happen under NU Sanskriti, which has basically given me a more deeper understanding of our culture. And also I am a very potent part of the community at Northeastern. I get to interact with other professionals or like other people at Northeastern, while also being and expanding my social circle. So yeah, this was my take on NU CPS as a student at Northeastern. But if you have any questions, or if you would like me to answer any of your questions, or like make videos on any other topic which you are really curious about, please let me know in the comments down below. And if you watched this video until now, I am really thankful that you have been through and have given the support. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos of this context, or if you have any ideas, please let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video, hopefully. Bye.